Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to Basic Lite Account on Binance. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open the Binance app on your phone, then you tap on the Binance app logo, you tap on it, then right here you're going to tap on this option which is Binance Lite. So once you tap on it, it will automatically switch your interface from the Binance Pro to Binance Basic Lite version, which is so easy and friendly for new users and both new users and existing users that doesn't know anything about Binance. This Lite Basic version is specially made for them. So from there you can navigate around, and if you want the Pro version, just repeat the process, tap on it, tap on the icon logo, then you switch from the Basic Lite version back to the Pro version. And if you want to switch from the Pro version back to the Lite version, repeat the same process, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.